Hi, I'm Aliza, and today I'm going to be making an apple pie for Thanksgiving. The first step is to peel and cut 6 or 7 apples. I got these apples from a local orchard. Now that I have cut and peeled the apples, I need to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg, and mix it together. Now I need to add this mixture to the apples and stir it. I have used a pre-made refrigerated pie crust and put it in the pie plate. And now I need to pour in the apples. Now I need to dot the pie with 2 tablespoons of butter. After I dotted it with butter, I put on the top crust, and now I need to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. If you notice that the pie crust is getting too brown in the oven, make sure you cover it with foil. I will post a finished picture of the pie in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a happy Thanksgiving!